Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing deliberately. Back up the system image and important data now, because deleting a system UI plugin is destructive. Once backed up, enable developer options and USB debugging on the device. Make sure OEM unlock is allowed if the bootloader operation will be required. Connect to a PC with a DB and fastboot installed, then verify communication with the DB devices. From here, you will pull the plugin binary for inspection. Do this before attempting removal to avoid accidental bricking. Once you have the APK or module locally, inspect its manifest, native libraries, and dependencies to understand why the system relies on it. You need to preserve permissions and SC Linux context. Note them exactly, because replacements must match. Next, remount /system as read-write using a DB remount or boot a custom recovery via fastboot. Do not skip this. Then remove or rename the plugin binary and its accompanying config files, and update package caches so the system stops loading it on boot. After removal, reboot and watch the system start. You are looking for stability and absence of crashes. If the device enters a boot loop, immediately restore the backup or reflash the original APK. Having a working recovery image lets you do this quickly. If it boots, make sure to clear package caches and verify SC Linux labels. Examine Logcat for any remaining errors and address missing dependencies by reinstalling or restoring files. One key tip: if anything goes wrong, restore the backed up system image first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.